Let us understand Python collections. These are high performance data structures in Python. Already we are aware of built-in data structures in Python like lists, sets, tuples and dictionaries. Collections are better than those built-in data structures. Basically, collections is one of the modules of Python. Collections are immutable. That means if a collection is created, later we cannot modify the data of the collection. Collections module is offering 5 data structures. One is name tuple, second one is DQ, third one is counter, fourth one is ordered dictionary, and fifth one is default dictionary. Name tuple is simply creating tuples with named fields. That means for the data values of the tuple, we can provide names, just like fields in a record. DQ is for creating high performance lists so that we can add or remove the elements on either side of the queue very quickly. Counter is for creating dictionary type of object which maintains counts of elements. Order dictionary is for creating dictionary objects which retains the order of the keys that are entered. Default dictionary is for creating dictionary with the default values. Out of all these 5 data structures, the interesting data structures are name, tuple and counter. Let us see practically how we can implement them in Python. Let's load the required module. The name of the module is collections. And let us create name tuple. It is simply for maintaining data in the form of records like students records, employees records with the required fields. First I am defining the fields. By using the method name tuple of collections, we can define the fields of student record, roll number, name and fee. 3 fields. Now we can add the records. That means record objects we can create. 3 students records I am creating, student 1, student 2, student 3. While creating these records, the order of the fields is not important. In any order we can add the fields. Now once records are available, we can access the data of the records very easily with a dot notation. Example, second student name, it is Sita. Third student fee, 3000. And we can keep the columns values together as one single set. So simply I am zipping the students records so that the columns values of all records will be maintained as one set. So total we have 3 columns, so we got 3 sets. First set contains all roll numbers, second set contains all names, third set contains all fee values. We can combine those records into table also. Example, pandas data frame I am using to convert those records into tables. Now we have tabular data with 3 records and 3 columns. It is pandas data frame. And this name tuple is actually a subclass of tuple. You can verify that one by the method is subclass. Next, counter object. Counter is for creating dictionary with the counts of various elements or objects of the dictionary. Example, counting soft drink purchases. I have a list of soft drink purchases. Let us create a counter object. Collections counter method I am using to maintain counts of these purchases in a counter object. Now Coca-Cola is having 1 purchase, Diet Pepper is having 1 purchase, whereas Pepsi is having 3 purchases. We can access individual counts also. Example, count of Pepsi is 3, whereas count of milk is 0 because milk is not in the list of purchases. And this counter is actually a subclass of dictionary. Again, by using the method is subclass, we can verify to which subclass it belongs to. It is a subclass of dictionary. That's all about collections, name tuples and counter objects.